Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another non-phone work from home job lead. This one has me very excited because if you are looking to get into the healthcare field and learn a little bit about the medical field to gain that experience for all of these other healthcare non-phone jobs, sometimes that seems hard to do, especially if you don't want to do customer service and you want to strictly stick to non-phone. So this opportunity is for you. This will get you in the door and get you that experience you need to qualify for other positions because they are offering paid training. They do not require any experience. So let's just dive on in. The company Conduent, they are a transaction processing company. So they work across several different industries and they have several openings right now. One of those is for a medical data entry operator. Now this is remote for my United States folks only. One thing to note about entry-level jobs that require no experience, they are going to pay on the lower end. So it's important that you use these jobs as stepping stones to get that experience to then qualify for a higher level position that does require a little bit of experience. But they are paying $14 an hour. They are also offering great benefits and they are looking for someone to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. But if that sounds good to you, they are looking for data entry operators to key and docu-type medical claims. You'll provide data entry for medical, hospital, and insurance claims into the client platform. So you must have strong attention to detail. You need to be able to work a high volume workload. So it sounds like you will be on a productivity type thing. You need to be able to type at least 35 words a minute. They prefer someone who has previous data entry experience, but it is not required. No experience is required. They are going to offer training for 4 weeks. This is a full-time job. Again, it pays $14 an hour. They offer full benefits, medical, dental, vision, 401k. They do just note that you have to be at least 18 years or older, have a high school diploma, be eligible to work in the United States. Of course, you have to have a high-speed internet connection because this is working online, and you need to be able to pass a criminal background check. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for because I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.